Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Justplay app. Justplay is a gaming app that lets users play a variety of casual and competitive games directly on their devices. It offers a simple interface where players can compete, earn rewards, and connect with friends. The app focuses on fun, quick gameplay experiences suitable for all ages. Let's see its features. Features of Justplay include free downloads and gameplay, where users earn coins by playing casual games and completing tasks. These coins can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards such as Amazon, Google Play, or Walmart once the minimum threshold is reached. The app is mainly available on Android, with inconsistent iOS support. It includes frequent ads, a rotating game list, and allows coin redemption roughly every 24 hours. Now, we will see its pricing. For Justplay app, no purchase is required to play. Here, we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, legitimate app that has paid users, no upfront cost to start earning, good for casual playing if you already enjoy mobile games. On the downside, earnings are very low while massive playtime yields very small payout. Many ads interrupt gameplay and slow progress. Conversion rate coins to cash is unclear and often disappointing. Support and payout consistency issues. iOS users face more problems. The app was removed from the Apple App Store in many regions, limiting access. Here, we will talk about customer reviews. Customer reviews for Justplay are mixed. Some users say, "I play for fun and I have cashed out a few dollars," while others report frustration. Hours of play, thousands of coins, but payout is cents only. And, "I had 1.4 million points and got paid less than a cent." Common complaints include high ad load, disappearing game offers, and account tracking changes. A minority note that the app works but only as a time killer, not as any meaningful income. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.